आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 6 पर अपने नाम के आगे सूचीबद्ध विवरण जो खाद्य और सार्वजनिक वितरण विभाग, उपभोक्ता मामले, खाद्य और सार्वजनिक वितरण मंत्रालय से संबंधित भारत में चीनी उद्योग एक समीक्षा के बारे में संबंधी संसदीय स्थायी समिति के 32वें प्रतिवेदन में की गई सिफारिशों के कार्यान्वयन की स्थिति के बारे में वक्तव्य सभा पटल पर रखती हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Honorable members, 21 notices have been received today on 5 different subjects under Rule 267. Since none of these notices received today are in adherence to the requirement of the rules and the directions imparted by the Chair on 8th December 2022 and 19th December 2022, I am not admitting any of these notices. Now matters rise with permission. Professor Manoj Kumar Jha.
माननीय सभापति महोदय,
अशोक कुमार मित्तल,
मैं आपके माध्यम से एक महत्वपूर्ण विषय की ओर आपका ध्यान आकृष्ट करना चाहता हूं। माननीय सभापति महोदय, माहौल नहीं है, फिर भी मैं कहना चाहता हूं। फिर भी मैं कहना चाहता हूं।
This is not correct. You are getting into the well. I am not going to hear anything to you. None.
मैं चाहूंगा
None will be.
तमाम विद्यालयों
not at all.
प्रेयर में
Not at all. I am not going to encourage anybody who is getting into the
वर्जन पढ़ाया जाए। प्रियम्बल इसलिए कि सर समता, समानता,
nothing will go unrecorded except the speaking up of Manoj Kumar.
भावों को लोगों तक पहुंचना चाहिए। इस भाव में अवरोधक बहुत है। आप स्वीकार करेंगे कि इस देश में सामाजिक सौहार्द, बंधुत्व और समता की बातें अपने न्यूनतम पायदान पे है। मैं माननीय सभापति महोदय, साथ ही आपसे आग्रह करूंगा कि एनिहिलेशन जो बाबा साहब की उसको सरकारी पक्ष को भी ये समझना होगा कि जब तक समता और बंधुत्व हम स्थापित नहीं करेंगे तब तक बहुत मुश्किल होगी। इस देश में विद्यालयों में अलग अलग जातिगत उत्पीड़न के केसेस हैं, वैसे माहौल में एनिहिलेशन ऑफ कास्ट, इन दोनों का समराइज्ड लोगों तक पहुंचाया जाए। ये किसी भी प्रार्थना से मैं आपके माध्यम से आपसे अपेक्षित है। शोरगुल में मुझे फिर मौका दिया जाए।
Now, Dr. Ashok Kumar Mittal.
धन्यवाद महोदय। आज मैं सदन का ध्यान एक ऐसे मैं सरकार से निवेदन करूंगा कि वो SIR के मुद्दे पे चर्चा के लिए
Nothing will go on record except Ajit Kumar. You sit in, no? Doctor. Next is Dr. Fauziya Khan. Dr. Fauziya Khan.
Sir, house is not in order. House is not in order, sir.
Kaushik Khan is not. He is speaking.
House is not in order.
Kaushik Khan, you want to speak or not? You tell me. You speak.
I can't.
Why you are worried about them? You speak.
I cannot, sir.
He is speaking. Why you are interfering?
Sir, we want to demand discussion on SIR. Please listen to that, sir. Please listen to our demand.
Kaushik Khan,
Discussion
Kaushik Khan,
on
you address
SIR,
to me.
On electoral reform,
You address to
sir.
me.
We need a discussion on that immediately. Sir, please take discussion on SIR. Everybody wants that, sir. Sir, everybody is protesting for discussion on electoral reform.
Now,
We need that urgently.
Kaushik Khan, you want to speak on the subject, you speak.
Sir.
Otherwise, I am going to call the next
Sir,
person. No, I am not
everybody,
going to
sir,
listen
is
to you.
demanding that
I
for the
am
last
not going
2
to listen
days.
you other than the subject.
Sir, kindly listen.
No. Dr. V. Shivadasan.
Respected Chair, my topic is the attack of wild animal, but I believe the union government is trying to attack the voters and the people of the nation.
No, Sri.
Sir, this is
Next.
the topic,
No,
sir.
Sri. Nothing will go on record other than the subject. Sri, I am going to call the next person. If you don't want to talk on the subject, I am going to call the other person. No, whether you have to stick to your subject or otherwise, I am not going to allow you to speak. Nothing will go on record. Nothing will go on record other than the subject. You want to talk, you talk about the subject. Otherwise, I am going to call the next speaker.
No, I am asking to you, sir.
No.
Take the initiative for the discussion on SIR.
No, not at all.
The wild animal attack is my topic. The government is trying to attack the people of the
You want to
nation
speak,
in
you
the
speak
name
about
of
the
SIR,
subject.
sir.
I am giving
My
you the last
topic is
chance.
wild animal.
I am giving you the last chance. If you want to speak on this, otherwise I am going to.
I am telling wild
Shri
animal
Birendra
attack is
Prasad.
serious.
Vice, Shri Birendra Prasad Vice.
Sir, thank you very much. I am raised here today on behalf of people of Assam, on behalf of my party, Assam Gana Parishad, and my party president, Atul Bora, supporting demand by the sixth community of Assam, Thai, Ahom, Moran, Motak, Kush, Supia, Kush, Supia, Tea community, they are demanding to grant it scheduled caste Assam. This community is indigenous tribe of Assam and they are the soil of the soil. Their demand is justified, so I am supporting their demand. I like to request to grant it for these 6 communities of Assam. Sir, in the year 1968, sorry ma'am, excuse me. In the year 1968, when India was ruled by the British government, the British government described them in Gazette Note by Gazette Note as a tribal community. Rights Simon Commission also recommended and granted them tribal status, sir. For this community of Assam, Thai, Ahom, Moran, Motak, Kush, and Tea community, their journey is very justified. Genuine demand. They fulfill all the criteria to get the ST status, but it is dependent upon the willingness of government. Everything is dependent upon the government. So I humbly request to the government to to join the
Please conclude.
of the sixth community of Thai, Ahom, Moran, Motak, Sutia and Sikh community immediately should get the tribal status, and I hope and I believe government will bring the bill in the present session and this business will
Please conclude.
this bill will pass and this will get the Thank you.
Now, honourable members, on behalf of this August House, I have great pleasure in welcoming His Excellency Mr. Salva Papu Silvi, Chairman of the Parliament of Georgia and members of the parliamentary delegation who are on the visit to India as our honoured guest. Parliamentary committee has come. You please sit on your. I am calling him. You let me complete this welcoming them. You ask them to sit, all of you. You please sit. I am going to call. No. A delegation has come. A delegation has come. I am going to read my. We are welcoming them. A delegation from Georgia has come. Let me complete. No. Let me complete this. Chairman of the Parliament of Georgia and members of the parliamentary delegation who are on a visit to India as our honoured guests. We have strong bilateral relations with Georgia. The visit of Georgia parliamentary delegation will further strengthen our bilateral relations. The parliamentary delegation arrived in Delhi from Georgia on Monday, the 1st December 2025. They are now seated in the special box. They are scheduled to meet, call on various dignitaries in Delhi. Besides Delhi, they will also visit Agra before their departure from India. We wish them a pleasant and fruitful stay in our country. Through them, we convey our greetings and best wishes to the members of the parliament, the government and the friendly people of Georgia. Now it is Sri Trichy Siva.
I have a point.
No, there is so much of disturbance. What point of order can be taken up? No point of order can be taken up. No. You have to read. Otherwise, I am going to give the chance to the other member. No. Your own people are making this shouting here, and you are on the point of order. You tell me very clearly. You want to speak on the subject or not?
I want to speak, but before that I need an explanation.
No. How I can allow a point of order when everybody is shouting? There is no point of order. There is no order. Then what is the use of point of order? Let everybody go to their seat.
We have come
sit
to
there.
speak only.
Then
They are going. They are going, sir. They are going to their seat.
Honorable member, I will tell you one thing. Nobody can take the house for granted.
Yeah, of course.
Everybody should go by the norms of the
By
house.
the rules. Everybody has to go by the rules.
Yes, then you are occupying the well and what rules it is.
They have
there?
gone back. All of them have gone back.
Let them go to their seat and sit. Otherwise you have to read in the...
I'll